everyone, for today's video I will be teaching you how you can log in to your Netflix account. First step, go to your phone's app store and download Netflix. Here you'll just see me opening the App Store application on my phone, and on the search tab, just search Netflix. If this app is not yet on your phone, you'll see a download button, but if you already have this, just make sure that the application is up to date. Once you have Netflix downloaded on your phone and it's fully updated, just open the app and wait for it to completely load. Once you open the app, it will lead you to this page where you just have to press log in. Then after pressing log in, it will lead you to this page where you simply have to type your email address and your password. Just make sure that the spelling of the email and password is correct, because incorrect spelling will lead to failure or error. Now, just press sign in, and just like that, you can start watching your favorite movies and series. And that's the end of this tutorial. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again on our next videos.